Hello everyone. This question appears in Class 6 NCERT chapter of decimals. This is 7th question of its exercise 8.1. So the question says that between which two whole numbers on the number line are given numbers lie? Which of these whole numbers is nearer the number? So part A is 0.8. So 0.8 means ये हमारा सब 10 parts में divide होगा. सो 0.8 समथिंग हमारा यहाँ पर लाई करेगा. तो बिटवीन विच टू होल नंबर्स 0 and 1. So 0.8 lies between 0 and 1. And second whole which of these whole number is nearer the number. So 0.8 यहाँ पे है, तो which one 0 और 1 में किसके नियर होगा 1 के. So 0.8 is nearer to 1. Part B is 5.1. So 5.1 हमारा समथिंग यहाँ पर लाई करेगा, तो मीन्स बिटवीन 5 and 6. So 5.1 lies between 5 and 6, and 5.1 is nearer to 5 क्योंकि 6 से काफी दूर है. सब 10 सब पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करेंगे तो यहां से 1 पार्ट दूर ही है, जबकि 6 से 9 पार्ट दूर है. सो ये हो जाएगा 5.1 is nearer to 5. Part C is 2.6. So 2.6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So ये हमारा हो जाएगा मिडिल पार्ट, और ये यहाँ कहीं लाई कर रहा है हमारा 0.6. तो 0.6 लाई कर रहा है हमारा 2 between 2 and 3. So 2.6 lies between 2 and 3 and nearer to 0.6 से means ये यहाँ से 3 से 4 सब part far, and from 2 it's 6 सब part far, so it's nearer to 3. So 2.6 is nearer to 3. D. 6.4. So सेम इसको हम डिवाइड कर लेंगे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 6.4 सपोज ये 5 पर लाइन है हमारी, तो ये 0.4 मीन्स यहाँ लाई करेगा कहीं, तो मीन्स लाइज बिटवीन 6 and 7 and nearer to 6 क्योंकि यहाँ से 4 पार्ट अवे and from 7 it's 6 part away. So 6.4 lies between 6 and 7, and 6.4 is nearer to 6. 9.1. So 9.1 हमारा जस्ट यहीं आ जाएगा, तो lies between 9 and 10 and nearer to 9 away from 1 part from 9 and away 9 part from 9 sub part from 10. So 9.1 lies between 9 and 10, and 9.1 is nearer to 9. F. 4.9. So 4.9 is lies here. So lies between 4 and 5 and nearer to 5 because it's 1 subpart away from 5 and 9 subpart away from 4. So 4.9 lies between 4 and 5 whole number, and 4.9 is nearer to 5. Thank you.